object will be initialized during the constructor it's loading. The method is inside the class we have a separate methods. Each method will do have independent. We can access the methods through the objects. We can create the objects and then through the object we can access the methods. But in constructor, at the time of creating the object itself, we have to pass the values and initialize the object.
Okay. Can you explain the collection?
Collection, it is one of the to arrange the element in the proper order. Java supports some collections like list, linked list, array list, vector, hash set. Those collections available to store and retrieve the elements for Java.
Why not supported the inheritance, multiple inheritance in Java?
Actually, if I have a multiple parent class, one child class, if I have, so in case one scenario, in all the multiple parent class have the same method name, so the child class will confuse with which class, which exact method I have to load. To avoid the confusion, Java is not support multiple inheritance, but we can achieve the concept through the interface. The interface will take care the whatever the inheritance will be there, those concepts will support from the through the interface. Through the interface we can achieve the multiple inheritance. Yeah.
Sorry, Karthik.
No problem.
Okay. Can you explain the Java 8 features?
Lambda expression is there, streams API is there, and method reference is there, and completable feature is there.
Okay. How many types of constructors are used in Java?
Private constructor and then static constructor is there. We have two types, private and static constructors.
Okay, difference? Private and static.
Actually, private constructors outside the class we can't access those constructor, and static constructors once we initialize whatever initialized object values we can't change those static constructors.
Okay. Okay. Can you explain aggregation?
Aggregation, it's kind of grouping the data from the different sources. Like if you take MongoDB, have two different collections based on one common attribute. I have to join two tables. Those times we can use the aggregation to join the two tables in NoSQL DBs. We can use aggregations.
Okay. Can you explain the difference between this and super keyword?
This is a current object reference. Super is parent class object access through the super keyword. This will be the current object references. We can use this keyword.
Okay. What is object cloning?
Object cloning, we can exactly the same object we have to create in the another name. Like whatever object I suppose I have to create the object. One object is there, that object have 4 or 5 methods. Same 5 methods I want to use in another object means I can able to clone. So automatically whatever the methods is there, it will come to the second object. It's kind of creating the copy of the object with a different name.
Okay, Karthik. Can you explain the difference between method overloading and overloading?
Actually, the method overloading is just it's kind of same method signature, but a different argument we have to pass. But overriding, same method, method name will be different, but the arguments will be changed.
Okay.
It's a dynamic polymorphism called.
Okay. Okay. Can you explain the array list and hash map?
Yeah, array list will store the elements. It will preserve the insertion order, and also there is no key value will be in the array list, and also array list will grow and shrink from the size. It will use by default 0.75 the load factor. The hash map, it will store the value in the key value map. It will allow the null key also, and also it's a thread safe. Hash map, it store the element in the key value pairs. We can get the if you want to get the value, we can pass the key and then we can retrieve the values. Hash map.
Oh, okay. Okay, Karthik. That is from my side. Thank you. I will give him the.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Bye.